We snatched victory out of the jaws of defeat a while ago. And now, because of the actions of both the Assembly and this body, we now are faced with defeat. And we're going to cram it right down the throat of victory. And the people of Wisconsin are going to get nothing because we have no reason to believe, we should have no reason to believe that this bill is going to see the light of day.
What we have done is to preserve those funds going forward and through May of last year up until now. Now, if the governor were to veto this legislation, he would be the one killing $49 million and all of the other money that we have coming into the state under the COVID declaration that the federal government has required us to have in place. We don't have one in place. That is our argument, and that is why it is in the Supreme Court. It's illegal.
The other issue that we intended to bring up today was the repeal of the governor's executive authority regarding public health emergency. As we've gotten new information, we see that there are some questions that are raised about whether or not it would have a significant financial impact on the state of Wisconsin. I think that the amendment that we worked with in the Senate that they adopted onto AB1 probably fixes the issue, but I don't know that for sure. And our job is to guarantee when we pass legislation that we know what the ramifications are.
I am both relieved and not surprised that we're not here taking up repealing the mask mandate. I'm sure that health officials and citizens throughout the state are also relieved. And for those of you that push back and raise concerns, I'm grateful and hope that the additional time will allow cooler heads to prevail and public health to also prevail. I'm also glad we're not acting if it's going to jeopardize as much as $50 million a month in FoodShare funding during a time when so many have been displaced and there's increased need.